Imagine I write down two columns of numbers. On the left, I place the. At first, this might seem like nothing more than a random collection of numbers. But mathematics often begins with a simple question. Is there a pattern hiding underneath? Let's look more carefully. These pairings don't seem random at all. There appears to be a rule connecting every number on the left to a number on the right. Let's focus on a single pair. The input is 1. The output is 3. How do we get from 1 to 3? Well, we could multiply by 2 and then add 1. Let's test that idea. Take the number 2. Multiply by 2 and add 1. That gives us 5. Exactly the output we expected. Try it again. Take 3. Multiply by 2 and add 1. The result is 7. It works again. In fact, every pair follows the same simple rule. Take the input, double it, then add 1. And suddenly, what looked like a list of unrelated numbers becomes something much deeper. A pattern, a process, a rule. Now here's the remarkable part. Once we know the rule, we no longer need the table. The rule contains more information than the table itself. The table only shows a handful of examples, but the rule works for infinitely many numbers. If the input is 10, the output is 21. If the input is 100, the output is 201. If the input is 1000, the output is 2001. The rule never changes. Only the inputs do. A finite rule can describe an infinite collection of relationships. And that idea is one of the central themes of mathematics. Instead of thinking about a rule, imagine a machine. You place a number into the machine. Something happens inside. Then a new number emerges. Perhaps the machine doubles the input, then adds 1. The internal details don't really matter. What matters is that every time we provide an input, the machine responds with an output. The same input always produces the same result. The machine is predictable, reliable, consistent, and that consistency is the key. This kind of machine is so important that mathematicians gave it a name: a function. A function is a process that assigns an output to each input. Whenever you provide an input, the function tells you what output belongs to it. Notice something important. An input can have only one output. If the machine receives the number 3, it cannot sometimes return 7 and sometimes return 20. It must choose exactly one result. That's what makes a function a function. One input, one output, every time. Definition of function. A function is a rule that assigns exactly one output to each input. Functions appear everywhere. The distance traveled by a car depends on time. The height of a ball depends on how long it has been falling. The brightness of a star depends on your distance from it. The population of a city depends on time. Whenever one quantity depends on another, a function is often hiding in the background. Functions are the language mathematics uses to describe change. A function can be viewed as a rule, a machine, a collection of pairs, a graph, a relationship between quantities, different perspectives, the same idea. And that idea turns out to be one of the most powerful concepts in all of mathematics. Because once you understand functions, you begin to see them everywhere. In physics, in computer science, in economics, in biology, and throughout the natural world itself. A function is not merely an equation. It's a way of describing how one thing depends on another. And that simple idea changes everything.